Welcome to our podcast. Today we're diving into the world of pressure cooking with the Fagor Rapid Express pressure cooker. Let's get started.
That sounds exciting. So, what's so special about this pressure cooker?
Well, it's like having a super fast chef in your kitchen, you know?
Yeah.
It reduces cooking times by up to 70% and saves up to 50% energy.
Wow, that's impressive. How does it manage to do that?
The magic is in its two pressure levels, fast at 60 kPa and super fast at 100 kPa. So you can cook all kinds of recipes, from vegetables to meats, in no time.
And it's made of 18-10 stainless steel, right? What's the significance of that?
Exactly. 1810 stainless steel is top-notch. It means 18% chromium and 10% nickel, making it super durable and resistant to corrosion.
Right.
It's ideal for cookware since it doesn't react with food.
That's good to know. But what about safety? Pressure cookers can be a bit intimidating.
Oh, absolutely. But this one has 5 safety systems.
Oh,
There's
nice.
a pressure sensor, automatic closing system, working valve, and safety window, all to ensure safe operation.
That's reassuring. And I heard it's compatible with all types of cooktops?
Yes, it works on induction, gas, electric, and ceramic
Perfect.
hobs. Plus, it has the impact steel thermo diffuser bottom for optimal heat distribution.
That sounds like a well-thought-out design. But does it come with any accessories or extras?
Actually, it includes 2 pots, a 6-liter and a 4-liter, both with internal scales for precise filling.
That's
so you
handy.
get versatility right out of the box.
Speaking of boxes, how's the unboxing experience? Any feedback from customers?
Customers have been quite positive overall, praising the quality and fast delivery.
Good.
One user mentioned it's a great replacement for an older model.
Well, that speaks to its quality, but I wonder, are there any downsides?
While most reviews are positive, some might find the price a bit steep compared to other brands.
I
But
see.
you're paying for durability and efficiency.
True, investing in quality cookware can save money in the long run.
Exactly.
And what about warranties or protection plans?
Glad you asked. Amazon offers 3-year and 4-year protection plans through Asurion. They cover accidental damage like drops and spills, and mechanical malfunctions.
That's pretty comprehensive. How do the claims work?
Claims are super easy. You can file online or by phone, and most are approved within minutes.
That's convenient.
If they can't fix it, they'll replace it or reimburse you with an Amazon gift card.
That's peace of mind right there. So, would you say it's worth getting the protection plan?
For a high-quality item like this, it could be a smart move, especially if you use it frequently.
Makes
Plus,
sense.
they have a complete Protect plan for all your Amazon purchases.
Oh, so one plan covers multiple items?
Exactly. For a monthly fee, it covers eligible past and future purchases up to a $5,000 annual limit.
Wow.
It's great for frequent shoppers.
That could definitely come in handy. But back to the cooker. How does the thermo diffuser bottom work?
The impact steel thermo diffuser bottom ensures even heat distribution, so you don't get hot spots and your food cooks evenly.
That's crucial for recipes that require precise temperatures.
Absolutely. And since it's dishwasher safe, cleanup is a breeze.
That's a big plus.
No one likes scrubbing pots after a meal.
Tell me about it. And the 2 pressure levels, do they really make a difference?
Definitely. The fast setting is great for delicate foods like vegetables.
Right.
While the super fast setting handles tougher cuts of meat and legumes.
So it's versatile for different cooking needs?
Exactly. It's like having 2 cookers in one.
Nice.
Plus, the quick cooking preserves more nutrients.
That's important for health-conscious folks.
Totally agree. And the 1810 stainless steel construction means it's built to last.
Yeah.
You're investing in a durable piece of cookware.
It seems they've thought of everything. But do you think it's suitable for someone new to pressure cooking?
Absolutely. The safety features make it user-friendly.
Good
and the
point.
simple operation is great for beginners.
That's encouraging. Maybe I should get one myself.
You should. It's a game changer in the kitchen.
Sounds like
Once
it.
you start using it, you'll wonder how you managed without it.
Well, you've convinced me. I think we've covered all the bases.
I think so too. The Fagor Rapid Express is definitely worth considering for anyone looking to upgrade their cooking experience.
Absolutely. Thanks for sharing all this info.
My pleasure. Happy cooking.
Can't wait to try it out.